Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. So in this session, we are going to discuss different window actions in Selenium. So how exactly Selenium work with Windows. So let's start this. Okay guys, so let's start this. Here is a comprehensive list of different window actions in Selenium along with Java code examples using Selenium 4. So let's say we want to maximize window. How exactly we maximize the browser window, that is driver.manage.window.maximize. Then for minimize window, driver.manage.window.minimize. Full screen, driver.manage.window.fullscreen. Get window size, get the width and height of the window. Import org.openqa.selenium.dimension. Dimension size is equal to driver.manage.window.getSize. System.out.println. Width size dot get width. System.out.println height size dot get height. That's how we will get the size. Okay, size dot get width and size dot get height. Before that we will do dimension size is equal to driver.manage.window.getSize. The get size that will store in size, and size dot get window, size dot get height, size dot get width and size dot get height. Okay, next, set window size. So driver dot manage dot window dot set size, new dimension. Let's say we'll provide 1024 and 768. What size you required, you just pass driver dot manage dot window dot set size. Okay, in that you will pass new dimension 1024 768. Then get window position, get x and y coordinates of the window. Import org.openqa.selenium.point point position is equal to driver.manage.window.getPosition. Okay, driver.manage.window.getPosition. Then x position.getx, position.get y. 1 second guys, it will be get y. Okay, it will be get y. Okay, so instead of x it is get y. 1 second, let me just save this. Yeah, perfect. So that's how you will get the window position. Okay, then next, set window position. It was get window position, then set window position. Move the window to a specific location on the screen. Driver.manage.window.set position, new point 200 100. Okay, that's how it will set the position, window position. Then switch between windows and tabs. How will switch between windows and tabs? Switch to another window or tab by window handle. String, let's say main window, driver.getWindowHandle. Then just create one for loop for string handle, driver.getWindowHandles. So initially it was a main window, is driver.getWindowHandle. Driver.getWindowHandles will return all the windows. Like let's create one for each loop, string handle, driver.getWindowHandles. If handle dot equals main window, that is if handle not equals to main window, then driver dot switch to dot window of handle. Okay, and break, it will switch to the another window other than the main window. Okay, driver dot switch to dot window will provide the handle and will break that. Okay. Okay, that's how we'll switch between windows or tabs. Then next, close current window. So driver dot close, quit all windows. Driver dot quit. Okay, handling multiple windows example. Let's say so driver dot get https://www.example.com string main window driver dot get window handle. Open new tab or window driver dot switch to dot new window, that is window type dot tab driver dot get, let's say https://google.com switch back to main window that is driver dot switch to dot window of main window. Okay, which we captured earlier. It is a complete Java Selenium 4 program demonstrating all common window actions in one script. Okay, how exactly we are switching between two windows, example.com and google.com. Okay, understood. Next, this is a program, another program. Here is a complete Java Selenium 4 program demonstrating all common window actions in one script. What exactly it is doing? WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Then driver dot get. Actually, this is not required in Selenium 4. Okay. Windows setup, that is okay. So let me save this. Yeah. So WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Then driver dot get https://example.com. Open a website. We are opening a website, example.com. Maximize the window, driver.manage the window maximize. We are putting some thread dot sleep 1 second. Then minimize the window, driver.manage the window minimize. Thread dot sleep 1 second. Full screen the window, driver.manage the window full screen. Let's wait for 1 second. Then get window size, dimension size is equal to driver.manage the window get size. In that we will pass system.out.println window size, that is width, size.getWidth, height, size.getHeight. Height. Then set custom window size, driver.manage.window.set size, new dimension 1024/768. Then we will wait for 1 second. Get window position, point position is equal to driver.manage.window.get position. Then system.out.println window position x, position.get x. Then y, position.get y. Okay, set window position, driver.manage.window.set position, that is new point 200 100. Thread dot sleep, just will wait for 1 second. Then open a new tab and switch to it. String main window, driver.getWindowHandle. Then what will do, WebDriver new tab is equal to driver.switch to new window. Will switch to new window, window type dot tab. Then with tab we'll switch to another window. Okay, then new tab dot get, new tab dot get, https://google.com. Okay, so how we are doing, WebDriver new tab, that is the element, driver dot switch to new window, window type dot tab. With tab we will switch to another window. Then there new tab dot get, https://www.google.com. Then we'll wait for 2 seconds. Then switch back to main window, driver dot switch to window, that is main window. Then we'll wait for 1 second. Then we'll close, driver dot close, or we can quit all the browser, driver dot quit. It demonstrates maximize, minimize, full screen, get or set size, get or set position. So switching between tabs and windows. Okay, uses a Selenium 4 syntax, window type dot tab or window type dot window for switching. Can be run directly after setting your Chrome driver path. Okay, Actually, this is not required in Windows 4, Selenium 4. I mean. Okay, so next one. Next, multiple windows. How we work with multiple windows? That is a very important topic and it is a very frequently asked in interview question. How you work with multiple windows in Selenium WebDriver, they will ask. So in that case, you can explain like in coding way basically. So if you see here, we have taken one class WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver driver.manage.window.maximize. Maximize, open the main website driver.get, so demo guru99.com pop-up php string main window driver.getWindowHandle system.out.println main window title get the title, will get the title of the main window. Then we'll add 6 more windows like driver.findL and bio.xpath /a text, click here. Okay, so we'll basically open 6 more windows 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then we will wait for some time, 60 seconds. Then what I will do, we will get all the window handles driver.getWindowHandles, which will return set of strings, that is unique windows. Then we will switch for string window handle colon all windows. Okay, then we will driver.switch to window handle. Okay, system.out.println current window title driver.get title system.out.println current URL driver.get current URL. We'll get all the title of the window and all the current URL of the window, and we'll close driver.quit. We'll close all the windows. Okay, that's how we'll work with windows or multiple windows. Multiple windows, tabs. That's how we'll work in Selenium. Okay. So that's it for this session. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.